Namaskar. Welcome to the weekly weather discussion on 22nd September 2022. I am Dr. Anandakumar Das, a scientist and forecaster in National Weather Forecasting Center, IMD, New Delhi. First, we will be discussing the seasonal scenario of rainfall over the whole country. Here, the time series shows the day-to-day rainfall, what happened over whole India until today. We can see all those bar diagrams. Here, the rainfall is just above normal and plus 7%, and spatial distribution, if I see at the right side here, this is the deep blue is large excess, light blue excess, green is normal, red is deficient. Here we can see that whole India mostly got normal to excess rainfall, except that few zones here over Gangetic Plains, Punjab, UP, Bihar, and Gangetic West Bengal, and northeast it is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. So this happened actually due to the fact that during the monsoon season, mostly all the low pressure system actually moved from Odisha to Gujarat over central India following the monsoon trough, and that is why central India and peninsular India got very good rainfall, and total actual rainfall is 890.7 millimeter, which is 7% above normal. And if we see the rainfall over four homogeneous region, here we can see northwest India and eastern northeast India got deficient rain here, but central India, south peninsular India actually compensated that. And here we can see the transition actually took place from the 1st July, and that is happening here, that minus 17% of over east and northeast India, and here over northwest India it is near zero line, now it is minus 3%, but central India is plus 20% and south peninsular India plus 26%. Now we'll be discussing the realized weather during last week from 16 to 21 day by day. Here this is the 16th, the weather system actually well marked low over northwest Madhya Pradesh and central part of southern South Uttar Pradesh, and this is the monsoon trough running through the center of the Wellmark low, and here going up to northwest Bay, and another trough we can see that is from actually east central Arabian Sea up to this Wellmark low center, and due to this weather synoptic system, the rainfall actually pattern is like this due to this Walmart low and monsoon trough location. This is the rainfall zone over UP and Haryana, Uttarakhand and Himachal and Bihar, and that is South Bengal, West Bengal and Sikkim. But and this is the rainfall actually due to monsoon flow along the west coast and the central India. This is the trough and monsoon shear zone. This is the rainfall. The second then day of the that 17th, what we see the weather system actually that Wellmark low became low pressure system, and then nearly the monsoon trough remained same, and then there is a cyclonic circulation formed over southeast band adjoining central Bay of Bengal, and then that trough what was there 16 that actually just remained up to Gujarat, and due to the weather system this is the realized rainfall. Here we can see that actually, but the intensity of the rainfall activity actually diminished. The next day it is on 18th, actually what is the weather system, that low pressure system actually then now actually lies as actually cyclonic circulation over the UP region, central UP, and then the whatever the cyclonic circulation was there over southeast and west central, that actually moved little northwestward towards land, and this is the monsoon trough location. But then another weather system, that is WD, western disturbance, actually we can see actually above 30° north, it lies nearly 76° longitude, along 76° longitude, and due to that we can see that western disturbance actually causing the rainfall over this Uttarakhand and Himachal region, and this is due to the monsoon shear that here this is the rainfall, and this cyclonic circulation actually causing this rainfall. Then next day here the cyclonic circulation over the UP region that actually little bit shifted towards south central UP, and this is the here we can see this is the monsoon trough, and that monsoon trough eastern end actually dipped towards a low what actually formed due to the cyclonic circulation moved towards north here of Odisha coast. Actually this low pressure formed, and due to this formation of low pressure area and this due to this cyclonic circulation here we can see this is the rainfall belt, and along the shear zone as well as the monsoon trough and low is causing the rainfall here, and the WD actually is still there over that region, little shifted, but it was very slow moving, and due to that the rainfall occurred over Himachal and Uttarakhand, that region. And then fresh WD actually approached here. It is now around 62-degree longitude. Then next day that we can see that the low pressure moved further northwest, and it actually came off North Odisha and West Bengal, adjoining West Bengal coast. And here the monsoon trough we can see from that West UP to the center of the low, it is extending, and that the western disturbance actually moved further towards east, and it is around 28-degree north of 28-degree latitude, and now actually at 74-degree along 74-degree longitude east. And then here we can see this is 21st. This low pressure actually formed over this region. We can see here it is northwest Chhattisgarh, and or you can say it is northeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining area, low pressure area, and the monsoon trough is running through the center of the low, and here WD further progressed, and now it is 76-degree. Sorry, it is around. It is approaching towards 70-degree longitude. So due to this approaching WD and this low pressure system, we can see the rainfall activity over this region, and this is very good rainfall, very heavy rainfall also took place, and this Haryana, UP and adjoining MP and Rajasthan, and this whole region actually got good rainfall, and at the same time here due to the monsoon activity here we can see this central Telangana and this Odisha and other part also got good rainfall. So if you cumulatively see the whole week, this is the rainfall scenario, and this is the week wise distribution. Here we can see this is the zone here, good rainfall actually the central India, then the adjoining part of western India, Gujarat and Maharashtra and coastal Maharashtra, and then here this northwest actually Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, East Rajasthan got good rain, and Uttarakhand, those area actually got good rainfall, and but West Bengal and Northeast actually deficient, and that way Telangana and coastal AP, and then southern peninsular region and West Rajasthan and Punjab actually deficient. But country-wise, as a whole, this week was a good rainfall, received good rainfall activity, plus 17% above normal. Now, this is the today weather systems. Here we can see that low pressure now it's cyclonic circulation over northwest Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood. Actually, it is extending up to middle tropospheric level, and then WD is there at 70 degree north of 28 degree north actually, and then there is a trough actually starting from central part of Rajasthan up to that northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. Here we can see this. This is the synoptic system today, and if we see that what is the situation of the weather system and what will happen in the coming week, then we can see that withdrawal already happened, and this withdrawal line now lying here. We can see this blue line, but this cyclonic circulation, it is there over this region that will move likely to move actually northwestward and persist over west UP region for the first half of the week, and then this east west trough what is there from central Rajasthan to that west central and adjoining northwest bay, that will be also persisting first half of the week, but gradually the eastern end actually moves northward and it will go towards northeastern states. So then western disturbance also, that's at what is there, that will also move east northeastward and for next 2 days, and then the middle of the week that there is a likelihood for the formation of the cyclonic circulation over north and adjoining central bay. So due to that, what will be the weather situation and extreme weather? So mostly the heavy rainfall and heavy to very heavy rainfall. So that will be over actually Rajasthan and UP region, East Rajasthan, not West, East Rajasthan. Then also some adjoining area like Uttarakhand, Haryana, that, and then some parts of that Madhya Pradesh, East MP, and then Odisha, Telangana, coastal AP, and Gujarat, and then some parts also northeastern states. So this is the today's situation. Then the rainfall activity gradually decrease, will decrease gradually over the region. Here we can see this rainfall actually activity will decrease, and then although there will be isolated heavy rainfall over the same region, and due to that the warning is there. Then forecast, if we in general see that for the next 2 weeks, here this is the forecast from the extended range forecast system. This is the actual rain and this is the anomaly from the normal. So there, here we can see that the rainfall activity actually normal to above normal with there over central India and adjoining Gangetic plains, mostly the UP and Bihar region and the adjoining eastern part. Here we can see, but there will be certainly some occurrences of heavy rainfall at isolated places, but deficient rainfall will be there over northern parts of northwest India, and then that rest part of East India and Northeast India, there will be deficient rainfall, and then interior part of the peninsular India also will be deficient. Otherwise, rest of the country will be getting normal rain. Then there is a favorable condition will be there, further withdrawal of the southwest monsoon during the end of the first week. So this is the first week scenario. Second week, southwest monsoon will be likely to withdraw from the some more parts of the northwest India, and some parts of the central will it will begin from withdrawal will begin, and there is also likelihood formation of cyclonic circulation over central Bay of Bengal during next second week, and then due to those, and trough will be there certainly along with the cyclonic circulation. Due to that, central and peninsular India will be getting rainfall and isolated thunderstorm or isolated heavy rainfall will be there. Then rainfall activity will be below normal to near normal over northwest and east and northeast India, and other part mostly the central and peninsular India, it will be normal to above normal. So for more information, you can visit our website. You can use our app, that is Mausam, then Damini, Meghdut. So Meghdut for agriculture purpose, Damini for lightning forecast, Mausam for overall weather prediction, and then you can follow us in our Facebook and Twitter account, Instagram account, YouTube. So thank you.